One of the projects we did was in Ethiopia. The mother was also disabled, but more important than that, the child was lying actually in the floor for the last 3.5 years. She didn't move.
Many children with disabilities in developing countries are kept in their family shed. The families are ashamed of them. They cannot go to school. They are not mobile. They are left behind. And we need to do something which will change their future.
Independent mobility is something that every child needs for development. Wheelchairs for children start at thousands of dollars. If you don't have funding for that, then you aren't able to get mobility.
All my adult life I have been in the plastic industry. I had a long time dream of bringing my knowledge into doing something for good in the world of disabilities and bring this knowledge to make an affordable wheelchair for those in need. The idea was to change paradigms. The main paradigms that are today in the wheelchairs is that they look like a medical device. And we said, first thing we want to change is that point, to be more friendly and more toyish approach to the chair, while keeping all the standards that are needed to make a wheelchair. Second, to make it lighter, and third, to make it affordable.
The first time I sat on my wheelchair, it was great. It was something no one can take away from me. The wheelchair has made so much hope in my life. I can push myself to the bus stop and wait for my driver to pick me up and go to school.
The moment you are able to give a wheelchair to a child, he is independent. He can join school. Even if a child is 3-4 years old, he can still sit on the chair in a very convenient way. And before even being able to go to school, his social development is accelerated. Every time you see a child sitting on our chair, I feel like I got another gift. You make an impact. You change a child's life. A child life, a family life, environment life. It involves the whole family. And parents with children with disabilities, it's a life project. Having the possibility to help with simple thing like a wheelchair, it's a life changer.
It was so difficult to carry crazy before. Now it's so easy to me with this wheelchair. That's why I'm so thankful. This chair will completely changing my life so much.
It's promoted as an Israeli project, as something that Israel as a nation is doing for the good of other countries, for children in the world that are not necessarily connected to any agenda with Israel.
I think that it's the Israeli spirit that we bring into the project to fight for an innovative solution to bring a better and more affordable product. We don't have any hidden agenda. We just want to do for good. We do this because we believe that it's part of our story of tikkun olam, of improving the world. Now, when you see 25 countries around the world that we achieve to provide chairs, you understand that you are changing the world of a lot of children in the world. And we are proud of that.